Hello, hi, and welcome to Maxafter's another exciting product tutorial. This tutorial is about using the extension called Vizmax. I've already shown you a tutorial on how to install this Vizmax extension. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. But in this tutorial, I'll give you how to creatively use the Vizmax extension to create more exciting elements or HUD UI. So are you guys ready? Let's start the tutorial. Right, so first thing first, if you go to the Windows and extension, if you have installed it properly like I've shown in my other tutorial, then it should show up here called Vizmax Assets Viewer. Click on it and it will open this menu, a straightforward simple menu. What you can do is go to browse, and in this case I'm gonna give you an example of my HUD Info 800 template. So if you go to the preview folder, all you need to do is just go and select preview. That's it. As soon as you select it, you will see all the elements lined up and ready to play. You can adjust the sizes according to your view, and it has got all the elements lined up. You can see the gadgets. Now all the elements are here. Now you can creatively use all of them to create something like this that I have created. So all these comps I have created with the help of these elements that are here. So today I'm going to show you how to creatively create a HUD UI for medical science. Okay, so let's go and start the tutorial. Okay, so first thing what I'm going to do is go to the medical comps. This is the medical call for right, and medical comps, right? This is 3D medical comps already created. So what I'm going to do is I'll just select this one and add to project. So the first time is it takes few seconds to load up because it's a huge project, so you don't need to disturb it. Let it settle down properly. So once it's loaded, then it works very fast. So it's loading now. So now it's loaded. There's an alert sign, just press S, press OK, right? So now you can see the whole thing is loaded here. You know, this is the source project. The whole project is loaded here. You can also run my projects without the extension by going straight to the source files. So this is an added facility if you want to avail it, right? Okay, now let's go and create a new comp. You can create it from here, create a new comp, or go to composition, new composition, 1920 by 1080, press OK, and I'm going to write it my medical UI, right? So select this comp and I'm going to import this comp first. Like I said the first time, let it settle down, and after that it's fast. Right, so now you see that the comp is here. It's all loaded. It's all also animated as well. You can play and see, right? This is one comp, and what I'm going to do is add another on top of it, which is this one. So it beautifully fits on top of it. So first I'm going to change this layer, move it a little bit forward. Let me just shorten down the layer, press N. Okay, and also probably right click and extract work area. So right click and trim comp to work area, right? Now you can see the first, the other one, the second, then this comp starts to animate, on top of the other one. First this is forming, and on top of that the other comp is forming. Can you see that now? Right, so let's see how it looks. Cool. So what I'm going to do here is I need something in the background. So for that I'll go to the special gadgets, and in special gadgets I have got these cool gadgets here. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add this one to the comp and bring it down. So now you can see the whole thing is coming up. Alright, so I'm going to move this forward a little bit. So you can see it's already forming up. Now, a couple of things I want to put here is I go to the panel medical, and we have got some medical panels here. Let's move it here. I'm going to use this brain, and let me just bring it here somewhere. Press S on your keyboard, make it smaller so that it fits in here. Press S on your keyboard and make it a little bit smaller so that it fits in here. So this fits in here, and let's import the heart as well. And let's bring it here somewhere. Press S on your keyboard and make it smaller, and let me make it smaller and fit it here somewhere, and move these two forward a little bit. So the first one is this one, and then the other one, and let's play it how it looks. So you can see it's all animating, you know. The whole thing is being, you know, created. And here on the left hand side you can put some other elements. For example, ID. Let's say we've got this ID card here. I'm going to add this. Alright, so this is added here, and I'm going to move it, you know, here somewhere. And then let's bring in a graph. Go to G and graph here. So we've got these cool graphs. And then of course you can add your title, text. You write HUD UI Med, and make the size smaller from here. Right, so with few clicks you can see that a beautiful HUD has, you know, it's been formed with all these details, you know. And you can also put some other info boxes here. For example, we have got these elements here. Can put here, press S and make it smaller and fit it here somewhere. And you can see you want to change the picture, of course. the picture, it says photo video 01. For that you need to open this folder, go to edit, replace photo video, and here it says 01. So in this, just import your file, photo, whatever it is, import. I'm going to import this photo here, which is courtesy of Pexels. Import, and I'm going to just place it on top, press S, and now I go back to my med. You'll see the picture has been changed here. Right, so let's play and see how it looks. So it's looking all cool, and this is your HUD medical, UI interface that we just created with few clicks. One more thing I want to add is the graph, the grid in the background, which is very important. Let's say if I add this grid and bring it down the bottom, press T and make it 25, then the whole thing will look more nice. Right, so you can see, yeah, this is how you create a beautiful looking medical HUD with the help of, few elements that I've created. So this is how creatively you can use, this extension, and this is what I have also done. If you go and see the earth comp that I've created, and also these comps, all these comps I have created creatively by using all the elements that I have, like I've just shown you. So this is the military, and this is the medical comp, we just created. So you can also use all these elements and create these beautiful looking HUD interfaces and whatnot. So you've got animated outlines, so you've got these special gadgets that you can use as backgrounds like we have just used. So this is how you can creatively use this extension to create more powerful interface or elements like I have just shown you. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please do email me, and I have some other products as well that you can buy from VideoHive. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, my name is Shoaib Khan from Maxafter. Thank you and goodbye.